Morning everyone. Today's our topic is busy at work, our internal organ. As I told you to draw the picture of your internal organ on cardboard paper, put out the right place of the following organ within the given outline of the body, like a brain, lungs, heart. Show your brain, lungs, heart and stomach. In which cavity of the body is it situated? You're going to show that. What is the function of the brain, lungs, heart and stomach? Which are the bones? Like a brain. We'll see about the brain. Okay. Brain is situated in the carnial cavity. Skull. ब्रेन उसके ऊपर जो पार्ट रहता है जो अपना स्किन रहता है इट्स कॉल्ड स्कल प्रोटेक्ट्स द ब्रेन ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स ऑल द मूवमेंट ऑफ द बॉडी ब्रेन टेल्स अस टू ईट भूख लगी है पेट में कुछ तो गड़गुड़ गुड़गुड़ हो रहा है हु सेज दिस ब्रेन सेज दिस मक्खी बैठी है या फिर मच्छर बैठा है ऑन द बॉडी on the skin who says that brain says that okay we become aware of emotions due to the brain even brain says that something has been become sad somebody is shouting on us then we are started crying who says that brain says that हमारे सिर में सब कुछ चलता रहता है हम लोग सोचते भी कहाँ से ब्रेन से सोचते हैं brain interprets the information collected by the sensory organs like हमको चटका बैठा somebody is biting us mosquito and all that who says that everything brain says that lungs and heart lungs ऊपर रहता है heart के ऊपर lungs रहते हैं okay pair of lungs and heart located between the lungs are well protected in the thoracic cavity heart and lungs are present inside rib cage means जो अपनी small rib है chest के यहाँ पर वहाँ पे होता है sorry lungs helps to supply air that we breathe into entire body oxygen is inside lung I will see the stomach where is the stomach first comes the brain then comes the lungs जो chest जैसे side में रहते हैं lungs heart in the middle side okay then comes the stomach down उसके नीचे आता है stomach okay stomach is present in abdominal cavity stomach is not protected by bones muscular wall protects it food is stored for some time there food क्या होता है store होता है sometimes it churns and partially digested churn means जैसे saw the cow how she is sitting in the shadow and churning his food वो अपना जो सोलो किया हो रहता है वो निकालती ऊपर लाती है अपने ग्लास में अपने इधर थ्रोट में और फिर उसको चर्न करती है चबाती रहती है ओके It is called the churning. Then we will see about the, this is a picture you're going to draw. Know this, brain, lungs, stomach and heart. Okay, then we will see about the respiratory system. Which are the respiratory system? Okay. We need air. Again started when I'm sharing my screen. No, something problem is going on about the now respiration. We need air to breathe in because continuous supply of oxygen is necessary for the body. We therefore continuously breathe to carry out the process of respiration. The organ that carry out work of respiration are nose, lungs, and diaphragm. In the lungs, the branches of trachea redivided having air, scales or alveoli at the end. Diaphragm. Diaphragm is a flexible sheet like partition between thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Due to constant upward and downward, as I told you yesterday only, our chest goes upward and downward. Movement of the diaphragm breathing is possible. Because of the diaphragm, we are breathing. Okay, because of the diaphragm, we are breathing. We are going up and down. जैसे हम लोग inhale करते हैं, the stomach comes outside or chest comes outside. Okay, upward. It comes upward. And जैसे हम लोग छोड़ते हैं, it goes inside, downward. When the diaphragm moves downward, we breathe in or inhale. When the diaphragm moves upward, we breathe out or exhale, like that. Exchange of gases. Exchange of gases. There are thin blood vessels around every body When the inhaled air enters the alveolus, the oxygen in it passes in blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide brought by the blood enters the alveolus through exhalation. This carbon dioxide is given out of the body. In this way, gases exchange takes place in the alveoli. The effect of smoking. Due to smoking, the toxic substance in the tobacco smoke collect in the respiratory tract. The air does not get sufficiently purified. Impurities in the air also remain accumulated in the lungs. Due to smoking, diseases of respiratory system or even lungs cancer can be caused. As I told you yesterday only, when some of the persons are smoking, तो जो धुआं रहता है, स्मोक रहता है, वो कहाँ पे उनके चेस्ट में जमा होता है और उससे क्या होता है, कौन सा डिसीज होता है, कैंसर हो सकता है. Okay, passive smoking means after 5 minutes they need a cigarette to smoke. Okay, when people around us smoke, then we try to inhale the same smoke. Due to this, through one is not actively smoking, she has to face consequence of passive smoking. There is a ban on smoking in public places nowadays. Okay, there is a ban on smoking in places nowadays. Now we will see about the digestion system. The alimentary canal starts from the mouth and ends as I told you that mouth and end in the anus. All the organs concerned with digestion of food are called digestive organs. Some digestive glands also help in the process of digestion. They are closely connected with the digestive system. The part of alimentary canal. Can you see the part of alimentary canal? See the textbook. Children, please open the textbook and see each and every diagram is here given over there. Can you see the esophagus over there? See, long narrow pipe from the throat to the stomach. जो अपने throat से stomach तक जाता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Esophagus. का क्या function? What is the function of that? That is carry swollen food from the mouth to the stomach. That is carry swollen food from the mouth to the stomach. Okay, then we will see the stomach. What is the function of the stomach? Okay, bag-like. It looks like a bag-like. On the left side of the abdomen, below the diaphragm. Some digestive actions takes place here. Some diseases producing germs are destroyed over there. Okay, food is churned and changed into smallest ball. Soft ball में ये होता है small intestine. Narrow tube of 7 meters length. How many? 7 meters length है. मैंने कल ही बोला था. Completes the process of digestion. Absorb the useful digested food material. Large intestine is a 1.5 meter. It is how much? 1.5 meter. Absorption of water. Collection and storage of feces from some times. Feces is thrown out through the anus. Feces means जो हम लोग पानी पीते हैं, toilet, it goes from the anus itself, outside in the anus itself. System in the body. The group of organs which work together to carry out a particular function of the body is known as a system. A group of organs which work together, to carry out a particular function of the body is known as a system. There are different types of system in the body. Respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, and nervous system. The other system in the body is system giving protection, support, and shape to the body. Skeletal system, system that expel the waste from the body. Excretory system, जो हम लोग खाते हैं waste निकल जाता है morning में, like that. The work of all the system is complex. If the function of any system disturbed, it affects all the other system of the body. If one of the part is stopped, all the function of the body is stopped. Means we are going up. Energy for the body. Who gives energy? Food gives energy to the body. Okay. Through the process of respiration, oxygen enters into the blood. The digested food nutrients are also absorbed into the blood. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of the body. Some nutrients act as fuel for the body. Through slow burning of this fuel, the body gets energy. This energy is used up for performing all the tasks by the body. Okay, now we will see the circulation of blood. Please see your textbook. I am repeating again and again. Circulation of the blood in page number 111. Okay, circulation of blood. Blood circulation is the process of keeping the blood flowing through all the parts of the body. The heart continually contract and relax. This makes the circulation possible. The heart and the network of blood vessel together forms the circulatory system. Due to the blood circulation, various substances are carried from one part of the body to the another part. Now we'll see about the nervous system. Maintaining coordination in the entire body is a function of the brain. Network of the nervous joins the brain to all the parts of the body. Nervous carries messages to and fro between the brain and the part of the body. The brain and the entire work of nerves together form the nervous system. Some tasks that we carry out as per our will, as well as some tasks which are not under our control, both are under the control of the nervous system, or both of the control in the nervous system. Okay, children.